Hi students, welcome to my channel Physics Universal Classes. So our today topic, the different problems based on the graph. The first problem students, a particle is projected upwards with velocity 40 meter per second, taking the value of g is equal to 10 meter per second square and upward direction as positive. Plot acceleration time graph, velocity time graph and position time graph of the particle from the starting point till it further strikes the ground. Okay, in this problem, so particle is projected upward with velocity. The first velocity is the initial velocity u is equal to 40 meter per second, taking the value of g is equal to 10 meter per second. Okay, first so time of ascent and time of descent, the two are equal. First write given data u is equal to 40 meter per second, then g is equal to 10 meter per second square. Okay, time of ascent is equal to time of descent, that is equal to u by g 40 by 10, that is equal to 4 seconds, 10 ones, so 10 fours. Okay, 4 seconds. The time of ascent is equal to time of descent is equal to 4 seconds. Therefore, so total time is equal to TA plus TD, time of ascent, time of descent, that is equal to 8 seconds. So then body, it will reach at a maximum height. The maximum height formula, H maximum is equal to u square by 2g. U square, 40 into 40 by 2 into 10. 2's, that is equal to 80 meter. Okay, total time is equal to 8 seconds. Then maximum height, the particle, it will reach maximum height, that is equal to 80 meter. Then plot the different type of graph, acceleration time, velocity time and displacement time graph of the particle from the starting point till it further strikes the ground. Okay, the first to discuss the position acceleration time graph. AT graph. The total time already discussed, t is equal to 8 seconds and maximum height h maximum is equal to 80 meter. Take a plot the graph. So time and acceleration, this is the 8 second, is a downward. First two is upward, the projectile is upward, that is a minus 10. Okay, acceleration time graph, so moving in this way. This is the acceleration time graph. The next velocity time graph. Time acting along the x-axis and positive, upward is a positive v, so downward is a negative v. This is the positive 40 meter, this is the negative 40 meter per second. Okay, in this one the velocity is decreases 4 and this is the 8. It decreases 40 meter per, it is a 40 meter to 0 meter. Then In downward direction, downward way, the velocity is increases from 0 to 40. 0 to 40 up to this way. Okay, this is the displacement is decreasing from 40 meter to 0 meter. Then the velocity is increases from 0 to minus 40. Minus 40. In this negative sign indicates the particle is downward direction. This is the velocity time. The next one is a displacement time or position time graph. ST graph. Okay, first is the displacement increases in forward direction up to maximum height, that is 80 meter. 80 meter. Then the particle is decreases 80 to 0. 80 to 0. First, the displacement is increases 0 to plus 80 meter to reach maximum height. Then the displacement is decreases 80 meter to 0 meter. This is the position time graph. This is a very important in NEET and IIT mains and IIT advanced level. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.